Today you join us here in Newquay in Cornwall, and we're staying here at the Headland Hotel. We've been here before, you may recognise it, but today we've got two different hotel suites here in the hotel. So we'll take you inside, show you around and see what you think to it. So this is room 311 and this is a family room here at the Headland Hotel in Newquay. So by family room, what you get here is you've got your main bedroom right here with that nice big bed, but then back in the hallway and through into this room, and you've got a second bedroom. So you've got settees just there, and check those out. You've got bunk beds and space as well for a cot if you've got a toddler or baby in a separate room. So on a night you can shut these doors and then you've still got some peace and quiet to sit here, watch TV whilst the children are sleeping. So you haven't got to be quiet and to try not to disturb them. So let's go back to the door and we'll show you around this two-bedroom suite in more detail. All finished really well. So that's the door that we've just come through. As you come in, on the left hand side you've got your coat hooks, and then you've got your mini bar and drinks area. Let's have a look in the fridge. So ideal for storing your milk in for babies, that sort of thing, or a bottle of wine, something like that. And then you've got your tea making facilities here, same as the other room, all pretty much the same. Then through this door on the right, this is your bathroom. So here you got two sinks, nice big large mirror up there, and then you've got your shower. So it's a rainfall shower, nice big shower there, attachment down there, and then you've got your soaps, molten brown on the wall there, and shampoo, all that sort of stuff, and your shower controls. So nice big shower tray. And then as we come around here, you've got a bath, ideal if you've got children here. You've been to the beach and you want to bath them before bed, and then you've got your towel radiator and all your towels just there. So that's your bathroom. And then down this corridor, on the left, you've got the toilet, separate toilet there, and then you've got your sink just there. Nice little pattern sink there, blue and white finish, really nice. And then you've got your products and a nice big mirror up there as well. So let's go and check out the living room. So it's a November day here in Cornwall, in Newquay. So you've got the Atlantic Ocean just there. And then round to the left, you can't quite see, you may be able to make out the surfers, but you've got the famous Fistral Beach just around the corner. Really good beach for surfing. And you've got another beach around the other side as well. So you've got your wardrobes here. Family have already bought in the mattress there for the child cot, the travel cot, and you've got a safe at the top there. Plenty of space there to put your clothes, and you've got your hangers there at the top. And then you've got a hairdryer on that shelf. Then on this side, really decent sized television. Got your remote control, you've got a radio there at the side, decent sized desk area and a chair to work at. And then you've got two chairs there, ideal for sitting there, relaxing, watching TV on an evening. Coffee table there with some magazines on there. So you've got the Cornwall Life, British Travel Journal and Drift. And then check out the bed, look at this. 4-poster bed in this two-bedroom suite with sea views here at the Headland Hotel in Newquay. All finished really well. And check out this, you get flip-flops. They've got a really good spa here. So if you're going down for a massage or whatever, or to use the pool or the water complex, then yeah, you've got your dressing gowns to put on, you've got your flip-flops there, and yeah, just walk down there and enjoy it. You've got drawers at the side, lamps each side, and this all looks just so soft and comfy, and the cushions and everything looks really good. So yeah, let us know in the comments below what you think to this room. Ideal for families. So yeah, we've got 2 rooms here in total for the stay. 1 suite with a balcony, and then we've got this suite with 2 bedrooms. And look at these bunk beds. Kids would absolutely love this. We're here with the nephew and the sister-in-law and brother-in-law. So little Theo's a little bit too small for the bunk beds, so he'll be in the cot. But yeah, imagine when he's a bit older, flying up those ladders there to the top bunk. Absolutely fantastic. And then you've got a bedside unit just there. You've got a bag stand. You've got your sofa just there. Some nice, someone's been busy doing patterns on it just there. And you've got a really nice view looking out over the pool complex down there. And then you've got the cottages just down there that you can rent, some of which have hot tubs as well. So there you go, that's this 2-bedroom suite here at the Headland Hotel. We're going to go now and check out the other room that we have, which is a 1-bedroom suite. So let's go around there and we'll check that out. Don't forget, let us know in the comments what you think to the rooms here at the Headland, and let's go and check out that other room. So the next room is just around the corner. And this is room 305. So here we are at the next room, and this is another suite here at the Headland Hotel. This is a 1-bedroom suite, and this one actually has a balcony. Let's go and check out this balcony view whilst it's still daylight. Just unlock it. And straight away you can hear the ocean, and you've got a really good view from here. So this is your balcony. But check out that view. It's a November afternoon. It's not the best weather, but still, it's really nice. Good views over Fistral Beach over there. And then you've got 2 chairs and a table. But yeah, let's take a seat. And you can just sit there and look out at those views. Pretty special at the Headland Hotel. So let's go inside and we'll take a look at the room. So, back inside, and you've got your big 4-poster bed just there. Again, very similar to the previous room that we've showed you. You've got your robe and flip-flops there. Plenty of cushions. All finished really well. And then at the side, you've got your bedside lamp, another radio, and plenty of space to put your belongings. And then you've got your living room area. So you've got a nice sofa. And you've got some windows. They actually look through into the bathroom. We'll have a proper look in the bathroom in just a moment. And then you've got your electric fire just there for those winter evenings. Nice picture, a decent sized TV. And you've got this sort of like footstool and a tray on it. So all done really well. So let's have a look at the bathroom. Let's find the lights. So here's the bathroom then in this suite. I think they call this one actually their best suite on the website. It's got the balcony, it's in the centre of the building. So you've got your walk-in shower just here. Love the tiles, all finished really nicely. You've got your shelf there to put some of your products if you bought your own. You've got your controls just here for the shower. And then you've got your shower gel and shampoo, conditioner, that sort of thing. But yeah, all finished really well. Decent sized rain shower. Yeah, all really good. And then on the back of the door, you've got your non-slip mats. One for the bath, one for the shower. Love those lights next to the mirrors. All really good. And you've got 2 sinks. More products just there. And you've got your glasses and your face cloths. Mirror. And you've got your loo down there in the corner. And you've got your towel radiator. And then you've got this nice bath. Let's move further back so you can get a better view of it. So yeah, all finished really well. Nice bath, so you've got the choice of a bath or of the shower. So yeah, all really good. Let's go and finish off looking around the bedroom then. So on this side then, you've got your bedside lamp. You've got your phone there for the reception and room service, that sort of thing. And then in this little corner, you've got your tea and coffee making facilities. Biscuits as well. All sorts of different Cornish biscuits. Tea and coffee at the back, you've got your kettle, you've got your coffee machine, and you've got a small fridge. And in the fridge, you've got your water and some milk. You've got your wardrobe. In your wardrobe, you've got your hairdryer, a small safe. You probably wouldn't fit a laptop or anything in there, but it's fine for your car keys, jewellery, that sort of thing. And then you've got a dressing table just there. Nice mirror. And then on this side, you've got another wardrobe. So plenty of hanging space. And then down there, you've got a fan. So it's a 5-star hotel. It's worth noting that this one doesn't have air conditioning. Fine in the winter, but in the peak summer months, you can imagine it'll get quite warm. But yeah, you've got that big balcony there, so you can open your door, let some fresh air in on an evening, and hopefully your room will soon cool down. So that's the 2 bedrooms then. So we've got the 2-bedroom suite that we've looked at earlier in this video, and then we've got this 1-bedroom suite. We're going to be eating down in the Terrace restaurant this evening, so we'll show you some of that food. And then we've already had afternoon tea. It's the end of the October half term and Halloween. So we had the Halloween afternoon tea. They had the witch there. Really well put together afternoon tea. Really good. So yeah, we'll show you what the food's like. Keep watching the video. Let us know in the comments what you think to these rooms. And we'll head downstairs and we'll show you some food. Good morning, it's the next day here at the Headland Hotel in Newquay in Cornwall. We've had a really pleasant stay, haven't we?
It's been really nice.
Yeah, so you've seen both rooms. So we've got the suite here with the balcony with a fantastic view out over Fistral Beach to that side, and then the Atlantic behind us. Really good. And then we've had the 2-bedroom suite as well, which family have been staying in. Again, all really, really nice. And then last night we ate out. What do you think to the food?
It was really good. What was the restaurant called?
It's called the Terrace,
yeah.
And that one overlooks Fistral Beach.
And the food was really good. I went for the pork belly and with a side of potatoes, and really good. And we had calamari for starters. And for dessert, I had the tiramisu cheesecake, which again was really nice.
Yeah, and breakfast this morning, all really good as well. I went for the vegetarian Cornish breakfast, and you went for the
Full Cornish breakfast with poached eggs, and again, really nice. All served hot, cooked to order. Yeah, couldn't wish for better.
Exactly. So yeah, if you're looking for a holiday here in Cornwall, then do consider the Headland Hotel. If you want to see around the hotel in more detail, then check out the link to one of our other videos, which we'll put on the screen at the end and also in the description below. We've been here before, and you'll be able to check out what one of the Fistral suites look like. They look out over Fistral Beach, and we'll also take you around some of the hotel as well in that video. So in this one today, we're just concentrating on the 2 rooms and some of the food, but do take a look at that other video to see what the rest of the hotel pretty much looks like. So hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time.